Bom dia from Chacara Antonio. Every few steps is about another year of work. My son-in-law's, this is his grandfather's home, and we are also building our home here. There's a lot of work. For instance, up here, I gotta kill those vines so they don't kill that tree. I forget the name of the tree. My wife's older cousin, who has a home that's amazing in Pontalina, and we'll go there one day. His is manicured to the T. It's unbelievable. I'm gonna cut away the vines. I mean, I'm not crawling up there to do it, but I'm gonna kill them at the base down there. That's one of today's jobs. So I've pissed off some ants. That's right there. I thought it was termites, not something. Piss them off. Crazy. Trying to be very judicious. Let's go to the other side. Look at all them. Crazy. Crazy. I gotta cut that. Cut this. And a bunch over there. Let's go do it. Aye, aye. Well, if you wonder how Tarzan does it, that's how. See, he's a blind man.
Come on.
Twist it up like a braid. Happy plants.
Little Bill for the rescue.
Well, it's about as good as I can do it without hanging out with the ants. I'm gonna cut that one and that one, and that should kill going up there, and that'll do it. Oh, let me cut that too. Grab that. And let me do some more work here. Alright. I think I did a pretty good job. I pissed off the ants. I had one bite me there. That hurt like hell. Here's where we're at. I don't know if it looks cleaner or not. I hope so. Right? Trim this one a little bit. That. Frickin' the wires. As I'm trimming, the wires are in the way. And this whole vine system goes off into every tree. It's crazy. I mean, I know why. It's just they're not maintained. Cut this, and that pissed that family off. Watch. Here they come. All right. That'll probably come back and haunt me one day. They'll be all over me. Middle of the night. That's it. So the plan here is, once the house and everything is done, we're going to put a new fire pit. We're going to build a fire pit. I don't know how I'm going to do this yet, because right now it looks like it's asphalt in there. Well, Antonio's got, oh, actually he probably planted a tree in there. It's pretty random with his plantings, but it's his place, right? I'm just trying to improve it. Stuff. Hopefully I can get that to die off so you don't choke out this tree. And that's the whole plan. Get rid of these damn vines, keep them maintained anyhow, so we don't kill off the big trees. We want them to be like this. Big and beautiful and stay strong forever. Well, that's bees, so we're not gonna go there. Maybe I pissed them off too. Castagna. They're not ready yet. They cracked these open. Some of the guys that are working here cracked one open yesterday to eat it. And they said it was bitter. I don't know what the hell you do with it. I'm not really sure what's in it. A green substance. You got the flu, so that sucks. I'm looking for a particular, there's a nest. I forget the name of the bird that lives in it. I saw it yesterday. Anyway, that's where we're at. This is just one part of the Chacara Antonio's sister. The place is kind of divided in half and half. Trimmed up some of that stuff. I think that's it for trimming today. Bom dia. I think I'm gonna chill for a bit. Well, work is never done. Laundry time. This was the only way to dry clothes when I was a kid. So, now I do it here too. There you have it. Laundry on.